Hi, how are you doing? Happy Ramadan. Wish you all the best. After signing in to code.org, scroll down to My Courses. Our course is Express Course 2019. Click View Course. Last our topic was sequencing. Today we're going to have loops and conditional. In this video, we're going to discuss loops. So, what are loops? Loops is to repeat something over and over again. So, loop is to repeat. Loops are repetitions. In loops, we're in 3 lessons. Lesson 8, loops with Ray and BB8. Lesson 7, figure art with loops. Lesson 10, looking ahead with Minecraft. Click on level 1 of lesson 6. And level 1 meaning the main objective of lesson 6 and the main concept, what are you going to do in the lesson. Click continue. Our task here, go get the scrap metal BB8. Our mission here, use 5 blocks to get the metal. The metal scrap looks like this one, the glowing one here. So we're going to drag, move forward, as we need to move BB from here to collect the 3 scrap metals. So click. So we need to move him 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need to move him 5 steps. So we need 5 move forward. So move forward 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Click run. 3, 4, 5. Reset and run. Okay, continue. Okay, here we have a question. What do you think will happen when you click run? Actually, this one is answered, but to know how to answer this question, we need to read the code we have here. Here we have when run. Then we're having a loop. Yes, we're having a repetition block with repeat 5 times. So what will be inside the pink block or the loop block will be repeated. We're going to repeat move forward 5 times. So instead of having 5 move forward or 5 move forward blocks, we're going to use the repeat block and change the number of repetition to whatever number we need and place inside the repetition loop the code or the blocks we need to repeat. So they are the same. Repeat 5 times, move forward is the same as having 5 blocks. The correct answer will be number C. BB8 will move 5 times and get off the scrap metal. Click run. He did the same action as in level 2. In level 4, we're having a video explaining the meaning of loops. I'm skipping the video, but definitely you need to watch the video. Our task in level 5 will be to get all the scrap metal. Try creating a loop that uses only one block inside of a repeat block. So we need to use only a repetition block here and place only one block inside the repetition block. We need to move BB 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to use only one move forward and time of repetition will be 5 times. Run. Okay, in this level we're having a different task. In this puzzle, 2 repeat loops will help you get PB8 to all the scrap metals with the fewest number of blocks. Here we need to use only 6 blocks and we have already one of them. When run, we need to move him to collect all the scrap metals. We need to move him 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then he should turn and complete moving forward to collect 1, 2, 3. So what should we do? We can make the first 4 moves using a repetition loop and the rest, the 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, using another loop. So move forward to see what will happen. Now we need to turn him to the left and use another repetition block and place move forward inside. Now how many times we need to move him? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, by default we're having 5 times. Reset and run. Okay, sorry, we need to turn him to the right. Okay, mission completed. Continue. In level 7, we need to collect the scrap metals having here. So we need to move forward 1 step. So drag, move forward. Click run to see what do we have. Now we need to turn right, then reset and run. Now we need to move forward by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. But we're having here block limitation. We need to use only 5 blocks. So we're going to use a loop. Inside the loop, we're going to place move forward. For how many times do we need to move forward? We said we need 5 steps, so we're going to repeat move forward by 5 times. Reset, run, turn, move forward, continue. Your assignment will be completing lesson 6 from level 1 to level 14. Again, your assignment is to complete the loops from level 1 to level 14. Now we're going to move to lesson 7. Click more and scroll down for the loops topic to open lesson 7, sticker art with loops. Click level 1 of lesson 7. In lesson 7, we're going to use the artist to draw different shapes as we did last time. Our task here, the artist is in the wrong spot. Use the 200 over 200 down to block to get the artist to the center of the play area. So we're going to use a block named jump 2 to move our artist to the middle of the screen. Then draw a line 50 pixels long with move forward by 50 pixels block. Click OK. First of all, we need to use the jump to. From here, jump to 200 over 200 down. Definitely you can change the measures here, but 200 and 200 will move our artist to the middle of the screen. Then we need to move forward by 50 pixels. Click run first to see what do we have. Okay, we moved him here. Then we need to move him by 50 pixels to draw a line. So using move forward by 50, reset, run, continue. In level 2, we're having a different task. Our task in level 2 is to draw the shape we're having here, okay, by repeating the blocks already written here. Here we have jump to 200 over 200, so we're going to move him to the center. Then we're going to move him by 50 pixels. At the end, we're going to turn right by 60 degrees by an angle equals 60 degrees. Click run to see what do we have. He will move to the center, then draw a 50 line pixels, then he will turn right by 60 degree. We need to repeat the same actions to draw the rest of the shape. What we need to do is to scroll down, drag a loop, place it here, drag all of them to be inside the loop. How many times do we need to repeat those instructions? We need to repeat them for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we need to repeat them for 6 times to draw the whole shape. Reset and run. Continue. In level 7, we're going to use loops in different way. In level 3, we're having the same codes from level 2. Fantastic. Let's add some style by changing the brush using the set pattern block before our loop starts. So we need to change the color of the line by adding set pattern and choose any different color before starting the loop. We're going to place the block here and select different color. In level 4, we're going to play. Let's build something bigger, one step at a time. We're going to use a draw sticker. Get the artist to the center of the play area using the jump to the middle. So instead of using jump to 200 over 200, we're having a different block which will move our artist exactly to the middle. Jump to the middle center, this one, place it here, and from the drop menu we can change the position of the jump. It could be top right, top center, middle right. Now we need middle center. Then use the draw sticker block to make something appear. we're going to use draw sticker and place it here. From the drop down menu, we're having different shapes and different images. I'm going to select a cat, click run. Okay, he's going to move to the center and draw a cat. In level 5, our task is use a loop to make more copies of your sticker. Try changing the numbers in the turn and repeat block to make different patterns. Scrolling down from here to see samples of the final shape you're supposed to do. Press finish when you are happy with what you have made. Click here. You can create a shape like this one or this one or this one. We need to repeat the animal or whatever we selected. Okay, add a cat. Run. We need to repeat the cat, so I'm going to use a loop. We're going to use a loop to repeat the drawing of the cat. So drag a loop, paste your code here inside. We're going to repeat cat for 4 times. Click run. The artist draw only one cat, okay? He draw 4 cats. They are drawn on each other. We need to turn him right or left by like 30 degrees, 45 degree to let him draw the second cat, and then another 45 degrees for the third cat, and so on. So we're going to drag a turn left or right and make sure that the arrow here on the run, drag a turn left and make it for 45 degrees. Run. Okay, we need to add more repetitions. Make it 10. Done. Finish. Continue. Now we're going to have so much fun by adding a second sticker right on top of the first one to make an image like the ones below. Here we're going to add 2 stickers. So moving to the blocks here, drag draw sticker, place it on the top of the old one, make it if we're having a dog here, another cat, this one. Run. Okay. In level 7, we need to edit the code so that you jump forward between drawing the 2 stickers. In this puzzle, make sure you have jump to the middle center position inside the loop, so you stay in the center. So the artist will stay in the center. Actually, we need to leave a space between the 2 animals, or as we're having here space between them to create a different shape. Okay, and as a hint, we need to keep our artist in the middle, moving in the middle, so he will draw the first sticker and move again to the middle and draw the second one and move again to the middle. So every time the loop is running, he will start drawing the shapes from the middle. What do we need to do is adding a jump forward between the two stickers here. So he will draw the first one and then jump by 45 pixels, for example, and then draw the second one and turn left by 45 degree, again jumping back to the middle and draw the first sticker, and again jump forward by 45 and drawing the cat, then turn left. And the actions will be repeated for 10 times. Click run. Okay, we can edit the 45 to be like 70 to have more space. Run. Finish. Continue. In level 8, what happens when you replace one or both of the stickers with different creatures? Okay, here he's asking to change the creatures we already have, so change this one to a ghost and this one to a witch. Run. Okay, this is nice. Continue. Your assignment in lesson 7, finishing lesson 7 from level 1 to the end, level 12.